Hold on, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta listen to this song, bro. I've been wanting to listen to this Shay song for so long, bro. He finally dropped this shit, bro. Holy fuck. Hey.
This song is a war cry. Warning, new music may damage your eardrums and hurt your soul.
Go ahead. Does he know? Oh yeah, I know about that shit. Can they finish the video? It was so crazy. What do y'all want to say, bro?
They tell that nigga chain not the same, yeah. I told her all the gun to crystal lay, yeah. Get the fuck up on my face where you get face, yeah. She like my bitch, she said she like the bass, yeah. I do this shit for you and baby take.
Holy shit.
This everything I do, they replicate, yeah. I think I feel the hunger when they hate, yeah. I'm taking over play.
This video is tough though. Facts though, I agree with him. This nigga needs a crazy raise. Up that nigga 10K, 10 racks. But this beat is so far, bro. You heard that? It sound like water drippers. I don't know, bro.
Holy fucking shit.
You said it. You fucking with me, as you say. And I'll cash out. I'm doing any day. I got you, Summers. Hold on. Again, music loaded up. I get called. Whoa.
Guns, violence, and terrorism. We supply it for a good price.
Wait, no, what? But if I get in a music video, toot it up, oh, they gonna call you an F word. Bro, this song is so far. Hold on. I gotta listen to the beginning again. That shit is so hard.
New music may damage your eardrums and hurt your soul.
DJ Smokey, 666, bitch.
My name's Teddy. You ain't fucking with me like you say.
I'm catch it. I'm gonna do 100 every day.
That shit's so tough. Alright, what is this?
Like that, hey, who you be? That's Southeast, down the clock.